Yo, what is going on, guys? Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a method that I've been utilizing to get unlimited gems. I've been getting unlimited molds. I've even gotten some levels, which is pretty sick. All on Goddess of Victory, guys. This is a Goddess of Victory mod. Goddess of Victory mod, hacked version, whatever you want to call it. Guys, and this can be downloaded off of the App Build Store. So the App Build Store is kind of the coolest place to be right now if you are a configuration profile or one of these hacked apps, because it is so freaking easy to get it downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and stop my babbling, and I'm going to start my explaining and kind of show you what I'm looking at, show you guys how you can get this app downloaded on your phone as well. But yeah, I mean, it literally is just a hacked version of the app. It is literally just like a full-blown secondary app that you guys can get. So let me go ahead and show you. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, we have Goddess of Victory mod downloaded and ready to go on my iPhone 11. Now, guys, this is a hacked version, like I said, and it does work on iPad, Android, and it also works on your iPhone variants that are not your iPhone 11 as well. So it basically works on everything, so no worries on that front, at least, guys. But I'm sure you guys are probably curious as to what I'm actually even looking at here. So let me go ahead and show you what I am looking at here, because we have this right here, which is kind of the actual mod that'll pop up here. And so you're probably wondering, like, okay, what mods we have here. Now, this is mod 3. When I downloaded this, this was mod 2. They didn't even have this level up hack here. But then, basically, I think they're probably going to add even more stuff, too, which is nice. But unlimited gems, yeah, I mean, you guys name it. You can pretty much do whatever you want in this mod. I mean, with these 3 things already, it's pretty much, like, game over for anyone else. So I'm pretty sure that you guys are probably curious, though, how you actually get this version. You're probably like, hey, I can't get that version off the App Store or the Play Store. How do I get that version? Now, it's actually pretty simple. It's by utilizing these 2 apps, Safari and Settings. Safari and Settings. Now, if you don't have Safari, that is okay. You don't need Safari, although if you do have it, I would recommend you use it. You can use any other internet browser, as they should all work. The reason why I recommend you use Safari, though, is because it will just allow you to follow along with my instructions as closely as possible, and in the end of the day, that will probably help. So let's go ahead and hop into our settings, because there's a couple things that we need to make sure look good, configure around before we move on. The first one, guys, is going to be our battery. This battery has a low power mode. Low power mode, low battery mode, guys, that is what it is called, and honestly, we need to make sure that it's turned off. Low power mode needs to be turned off. If low power mode is turned on, what we're going to have happen is, well, it's going to reduce our background activity download, and when it reduces our background activity download, we will not actually even be able to download this hacked version at all. And we want Goddess of Victory to be hacked, so make sure your low power mode is turned off. With that being said, we are going to hop into our settings. One more thing here, general, and then into background app refresh. Now, this is just kind of like a general piece of advice. You should have background app refresh on, kind of always. But if you don't have background app refresh on, that's okay. It's okay, guys. Make sure that you do turn it on, though, before you go ahead with the rest of this download. That being said, I think we should be good to go ahead and hop into our Safari, into our internet, and go to this website right here. App Build. See if I can get it to focus. appbuild.vip, appbuild.vip, type that in, hit go. And that's going to bring you here, guys, to the #1 tweaked app store. Now, this is a ton of apps. There's literally a ton of apps on here, guys. And there is kind of like an absurd amount of things to download. But of course, we are looking for the Goddess of Victory mod. So we're going to go ahead and find it and hit that install button next to it. Now, what this is doing right now, guys, is downloading something called a configuration profile. What a configuration profile is, more or less, is a fancy schmancy word for a hacked app. Now, it can't be downloaded from the App Store or Play Store, so it's not technically an app, it's a profile. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty stupid, but it's basically an app that you download on the internet. Now, how we are going to verify this is not through our Apple ID, but is actually through our phone password on our settings. So I'm going to show you how we do that right after this. But first, we need a little notification, there it is, to pop up, asking us to allow the download. And as you can see, it wants us to go to our settings to download it. So how we're going to do that is go into our settings, we're going to go into General, and then into VPN and Device Management. The very first section, Downloaded Profile, guys, go ahead and click on that one, and then you should see the install button right here. After that, you're going to be prompted for a passcode. This is referring just to your regular unlock passcode, the regular passcode you use to unlock your phone on any given day. You're going to hit next and then install 2 times. After that, guys, hit that done button because you're done. And if I'm not mistaken, and I rarely am, guys, boom, Goddess of Victory mod is downloaded and ready to go. Enjoy.